Hey guys, here is a quick look at the Olight Swivel Worklight. It's a handy little light. It's got a magnetic base with three strong neodymium magnets for gripping onto surfaces. This is how I've been demonstrating this with other devices. This is just a steel ruler, but you get the idea. Very stout magnets. They hold on very well. And also on this base, there's a carabiner. The gate opens outside, which allows you to fit, something through, and then if you need to remove it, you can pull it off easily. So I can see the pros and cons of this. So it kind of depends on your usage if this is the route you want to go, but I haven't had any problems with that. The base has nice firm detents all the way around for locking it in position. It's USB-C rechargeable. It's got 3 modes plus the flashlight. I'll walk through those here in a second. And the battery indicator is over here on the side. So basically when you press the power button here on the left side of the head with your thumb, it goes to the middle strength setting. And you can see the battery indicator over here. So you have the middle strength setting, then it goes, well, if you let it go for long enough, it goes off. I didn't move it fast enough. So if you go on, it's middle. One more click, it goes high. One more click, it goes to the low setting. And it's got nice transitions between all those settings. If you hold, then you get the spotlight. All in all, it's a great little light from Olight, and I highly recommend it.